dude. Wow. The only thing I enjoy more than a grilled steak on a charcoal grill is slow smoking a rib roast during the holiday season. Let's see if I can take a very thick cut steak, season it like a brisket, smoke it like I would a rib roast, and then sear it off on the charcoal grill. It's going to be delicious. What we have here is just shy of a 2-pound piece of ribeye steak. I cut this myself. I bought a rib roast. I cut it into steaks, and I purposely cut this much larger than all the others just so I can try this out. For our dry rub, we are going 2 parts black pepper, 1 part diamond crystal kosher salt, and 1/4 part garlic powder. Give that a swirl. Time to season some meat. Gonna take the dry rub, cover this piece of meat. No need to use a binder. It's already wet enough. I did vac seal this a few days ago. And coming out of the vac seal, it's still moist. By seasoning the meat in this manner, it's going to allow it to dry brine overnight while it hangs out in the refrigerator. And then we are going to smoke it in the morning. I'll see you in just a second. By storing it on this elevated rack, it's going to allow air to move all around the meat. This is a key step because if you put this on a flat surface, the bottom is going to get kind of gummy. It's not going to look good. So elevated rack, airflow all around. That's your friend. Here we are 14 hours later. You can see the salt has done its work on the meat. The pepper is thoroughly adhered to the exterior. So I'm going to leave this on the counter. I'm going to let it warm up for about half an hour, and then it's going to be out to the smoker. I'll see you there. We're going to maintain temps about 200 degrees. We've got our steak. We're going to take the thermometer and get a reading right dead center in the meat here. There we go. We're going to let this run until we hit about 115 degrees internal. Then we're going to take it off, put it on the grill. All right, it's been an hour and 20 minutes and we just hit 115 degrees internal temp. So let's see what we got. Going to go ahead and pull this out. Going to take this off, and yes, I am freehanding this, but again, the temperature is only about 115 degrees, so I'm not worried about burning myself. All right, we're going to let this rest, covered in tin foil for about 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to sear it on the grill. Ten-minute rest, covered in tin foil. Let's go on to the grill. I think that looks pretty good. One more little trick. Don't want to waste any of these juices. All right, let's slice into this and see what we got. Smells amazing. And just to put the finishing touches on it, a little bit of flake salt. I don't know about you, but I am ready to get a taste of this. Let's get a taste. Oh, dude. Wow. Oh. You get the smokiness from the smoker, obviously. The pepper has a nice kick to it. The pepper kind of sneaks up on you. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, man. And the fat. The fat is melting like butter in your mouth. Whew. I don't know how I'm going to do my steaks from now on. Whew. If you have the ability to do a steak this way, smoke it and then sear it off, I would highly recommend it. And I have to represent, I didn't come up with this on my own. Earlier this year, I was lucky enough to take a barbecue class in Austin, Texas, at one of my favorite spots, Leroy Lewis Barbecue, which have just been named the #2 spot on the Texas Monthly Top 50 Barbecue Restaurants in the state of Texas. Some may even say in the world. In addition to the traditional barbecue menu at Leroy Lewis, they also offer steak dinners, and they serve steaks in this manner. So I wanted to see if I could try to replicate it myself at home, because obviously I don't live near Texas. I'm here in Tennessee. But man, you can't go wrong with this. It's fantastic. Give it a try if you're able. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider giving me a like, a subscribe, or drop me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. Every time you do that, it helps to push me out to a few more people. So help me spread the word. And with that, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today. And I will catch you next time.